Alright, what's up everybody? This is going to be a demo with the rocking technique combining Tstep with Running Man only. Just so you guys, for the people that are beginning, that are fresh at this, can see what it looks like to music and where you would transfer in and out of during the music, okay? I'm gonna do my best as usual. I'm gonna play a few songs and yeah, let's get it. Okay, so, catch my breath here for a sec. As you can see, the rocking technique using T-steps. Okay, I was just freestyling there. I had no set sequence, okay? I was just going to the music, freestyle, whatever I felt. Whatever the music told me to do, I would go to it, okay? But I made sure to infuse both of these fundamentals to show you what it looks like to add them both together and rock out left to right with this with the technique, okay? So that's how it's done. We're gonna hit the next song now, okay? Be a little slower, okay? So everyone just bear with me. You have to understand, like, I am imagining someone who is watching this is like brand new and has never done this before, so the slower the music, the better. And I will do a faster song after this one, of course. It's just I really want you to soak in the steps that I'm doing, you know, and make sure you really can get a grasp on everything that I'm trying to teach and relay to you, okay? So, here we go. Sometimes a slow song is really good for you to flow to and hit every single step. I'm going to start with Running Man, T-step, Running Man. Okay, so you see how I was kind of losing myself in the dance there. I did a spin. I think I did a slide. You know, it's hard to not just want to dance, but I gotta show you guys piece by piece by piece. That way you can see how it's, how this is actually done. And the final video coming up soon, that'll be like a full body flow. You'll see me, I'll make sure I add everything in to show you what this dance is not only capable of, or what it looks like. Okay? Alright, here we go. Okay, so that is how it's done. That's how I do it when I shuffle. That's how I learned from my peers and mentors, and now I'm handing this off to you guys. So try and add in your running man as best you can with the rocking T-step sequences, okay? I will go off one more time because I want to do the little bit wider running man where I go like this, because I was staying tight with it. And now remember too, if you have a song that's going faster, you're going to maybe stay a little tighter. If you have a song that's slower, you can tend to stretch out a little more. So let's see what it looks like, okay? Alright, here we go. Back to running man. Okay, I gotta sit down. Alright. Couple things I want to point out. Running Man it can be very draining. Yes, like you get more stamina as you build up to this, and it gets easier, but The Running Man is very taxing, okay? Tstep is not taxing at all. I could rock out with just Tsteps to an entire song. Okay. You want to know why KAASI shufflers, if you don't know that style, they have a lot of stamina. Not that any other style doesn't have a lot of stamina, but there's particular styles out there that do mainly the Running Man. You know, and that gives you a lot of stamina. So what I'm getting at here is you can be more Tstep based with some Running Man, or you can be more Running Man based with maybe a little bit of Tstep. However, remember, if you're, you know, trying to do the Melbourne Shuffle, if you're showing someone this dance, remember, like the primary fundamental, the primary move is the Tstep. And yes, you don't always have to be doing the Tstep, but it is the foundation, okay? So, as you could see there at the end, I was doing a lot more Running Man. And I was, you know, I was applying the rocking technique, going left and right, back and forth with it, as you could see. And then you would see maybe on the sides of the figure eights, I would add in a Tstep here or there, you know. Like right here, and then I would go back, and then maybe I'd go back to my Running Man. And I'd go back, you know, and then I got a little tighter with it right here. So just know that you can add a little bit of both in there. You can be primarily Tstep if you want. You can be primarily Running Man if you want. But don't ever forget the Tstep. Like, don't ever neglect it, okay? Because that is the bread and butter of this dance. So just keep that in mind. You know, play with it. You know, add everything in the dance if you can. Be like experimental. And see what different patterns and rocking sequences and different Tsteps and different angles, and, you know, see what you can do to make it your own and make it unique, but while still flowing to the beat. So that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Put in the comments if you thought this was a good example or not. Did the best I could. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Later.